Y'all to take stuff up. Like, we need to get stuff that's nice size because look. What? Why are you? Why didn't you take the whole bench? Like, why would you just?
That's too heavy.
No. Really? That's you helping? That's you helping, Nye? Nye, why don't you just take all of? No. Can you take?
Why y'all just sitting there?
Because I'm confused as to why you're not taking. Take all. It's three. It's four. Take all. The way she walking up, the way you walking up the stairs, though. Not all the stuff that you walking around and walking past. You don't want to grab any. I'm just. You bet not take them apart. You bet. You if you don't keep. Mr. Willie, don't take nothing from her. She just took them apart just to bring one up there. If you take something else apart, we fighting. We fighting. Okay. Really? Really? You stressed? You stressed? I can't. Y'all. What you mean I hold that? You take. Why you ain't just. Girl. This child. Really? Really? You in there still fighting with that? That?
It's just so heavy.
Please, something that's worth grabbing. Really, Nye? Make it more. Why? The way you grab that, though. Really? She finally picking up something, y'all. All right. She really. All this stuff. He looking at you like you crazy. Grab some. We're gonna be out here all night, y'all. The face, the head, those yours, Nye. Ain't they? I can't. Can you grab, like, it's the stools, the bags, something, you know. You trying to figure out what to grab? I think that's the TV mount for the big TV. Yeah, it is. Oh, I hope no screws don't fall out of it. Oh, okay, go ahead. This is what I gotta deal with. What did you look at? There's nothing out here but storage. Why you keep looking? You tired? What is you? Yeah.
Come on, girl. You gotta get this big stuff.
You gotta get the big stuff? Okay. That's the big stuff? What you got?
I just sitting there.
What you got? What you got? What? Why you ain't taking on the? Why you ain't taking on the truck?
Come on, get a chair.
The chair. Why is you walking past? Okay. This is y'all niece. Y'all want her to come help y'all move? Y'all gonna be there all day. All day. I can't. I can't, y'all. Let me help move later, y'all. I can't.